evening, then areas of low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-50s. Friday, low clouds and fog in the morning, then sunny. Highs in the mid-60s to mid-70s. Friday night, mostly clear in the evening, then low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-50s. Saturday, low clouds and fog in the morning, then sunny. Highs in the upper 60s and 70s. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-50s. Sunday, low clouds and fog in the morning, then sunny. Highs in the upper 60s and 70s. The marine forecast from Point Pinos to Point Piedras Blancas out 20 nautical miles. Tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Wind waves 5 to 6 feet. South swell around 2 feet at 12 seconds. Monday, southwest winds around 5 knots. Wind waves 4 to 5 feet. Monday night, southwest winds around 5 knots. Wind waves around 4 feet. Patchy dense fog. Tuesday, southwest winds around 5 knots. Wind waves 3 to 4 feet. Tuesday night, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Wind waves around 3 feet. South swell around 2 feet at 17 seconds. Wednesday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Wind waves 2 to 3 feet. South swell around 2 feet at 16 seconds. Wednesday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves 3 to 4 feet. South swell around 2 feet at 15 seconds. Thursday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves 4 to 5 feet. South swell 2 to 3 feet. Friday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves 3 to 4 feet. South swell 3 to 4 feet. At 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, on Sunday, July 24th, these were the conditions along the central California coast. At San Luis Obispo, it was sunny. The temperature was 74 and the relative humidity 48%. The wind was variable at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.92 inches and falling. At Santa Maria, it was sunny. The temperature was 66. The wind was northwest at 10 miles an hour. At Monterey, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 65. The wind was west at 12 miles an hour. At Paso Robles, it was sunny. The temperature was 87. The wind was south at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 22. Here is the surf forecast for the San Luis Obispo County beaches this afternoon through Monday. Surf heights 3 to 5 feet. Thunderstorm potential, none expected. Water temperature 55 to 57 degrees. Tides, low tide, minus 0.1 feet at 3:34 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. High tide, 3.6 feet at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Low tide, 2.9 feet at 2:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. High tide, 5.7 feet at 8:34 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Remarks, mixed west swell and south swell. Tuesday, surf heights, 3 to 5 feet. Thunderstorm potential, none expected. Tides, low tide, minus 0.3 feet at 4:09 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. High tide, 3.7 feet at 11:02 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Low tide, 2.9 feet at 2:59 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. High tide, 5.8 feet at 9:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Remarks, mixed west swell and south swell. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The current time is 2:34 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG592, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, in partnership with Hearst Castle, and transmits from a tower at Hearst Castle near San Simeon. Here is the latest weather synopsis. Night through morning, low clouds with some dense fog continue across the coasts and some lower valleys through the period. Otherwise, mostly clear skies will prevail. Temperatures will cool today and Monday and then warm through next weekend. Around 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, on Sunday, July 24th, these were the conditions along the Southern California coast. Across the coastal waters from north to south. At Half Moon Bay Buoy, winds were northwest, at 4 knots. Air temperature 53 degrees. At Monterey Bay Buoy, winds were northwest at 8 knots. Air temperature 56 degrees. At Cape San Martin Buoy, winds were calm. Air temperature 56 degrees. At Diablo Canyon Buoy, wave height 3 feet at 12 seconds. Sea temperature 58. At Point Sal Buoy, winds were calm. Wave height 4 feet. Wave period 10 seconds. At Point San, winds were north at 16 knots. Air temperature 56. At farthest platform Buoy, wave height 5 feet at 11 seconds. Sea temperature 58. At West Santa Barbara Channel